Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's the next day. You know, we had this tractor running last night. Then the thunderstorms hit. Holy cow, we got over an inch, no, about just a little under an inch here, according to my dad out the farm. I don't know what I got here. Somebody, not me, broke my rain gauge. It was an accident, so you know, I'll have to get a new one. But anyways, so I just got back from the farm. I had to, Dad broke a pipe fitting. Let's see. I could probably show you on one of these tractors here. Oh, it's a fitting off the hydraulics. Actually, it's one right there. Was it that one or that one? No, it was this one here. This fitting right here. Somehow he busted it on his that 302 that was here with the loader on it. So I had to help him get the broken part of the fitting out of the inside of the hydraulic housing. Not much fun. I had my camera with me, but I didn't have it on. It's dark in there and wasn't enough room for you to see, and to be honest with you, it was a struggle. But with an easy out, some patience, some not patience, I got it out. Anyways, I'm back home. So this is, even with it off, it's still dripping. This valve right here, I called one guy, my part sources, to see if he had one by chance. He's going to look, but what I was thinking I would do is, I have that UB diesel out back that has the same setup. We'll take that valve out and see what it takes to either replace it or rebuild it. So and I want to bring up the plow up here, so I can we'll put it on the 1050 LP, I think. And I know I wanted to put it on my red, white, and blue 950. If you want to see that tractor plowing, last year I had it on the 5-bottom Oliver plow plowing with it. But here, I'll show you why. It's not that it won't run or start, but this tire, or I should say this rim, is pretty bad. This tractor sat in a barn for a very long time with calcium chloride in there, and it's pretty rusty. I have some rims around here, including the ones on that 950 over there, that will fit on here, but I think I want to put brand new tires on it, unless I can find some really good used ones, 18-434s. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. I gotta save up for the brand new tires, because you know those tires are not gonna be cheap. Or if I have to, I'll switch out, put those tires that are on there. Well, they're bigger. Those are 20.8 34s, and these are 18-4 34s. Yes, they'll fit under here. Well, let me back up. And the reason I don't want to use this one as it is, it's fine at the moment, but you know, anytime that rim could malfunction of some kind and rip off a fender or ruin something that is irreplaceable, you know, and as in anything that's original paint, heritage model stuff. So yeah, that's why. Makes sense. So okay, well, let's walk back to that parts U, and then we'll grab the 302 on the plow, bring that up here, and then we'll unhook it, then go from there. So stand by. Okay, well, this was just planted the other day, so this isn't really much to see. Green beans and peas and peppers and tomatoes and zucchinis, and there's pickles out there or something else, but I don't know how much you can see, but there really isn't much to see yet. So we're just doing today is March 8th. Yep, no, May 8th, not March 8th. Jeez, oh Pete. Yeah, you can tell it's not March 8th in Michigan. But anyways, little short update on the garden. Okay, well, we're back to this tractor. This is a UB diesel, also came from that same pile of 13 tractors that we got. This one here, you can still see the remnants of the tree that I had to cut out of there. It was at least, I don't know, 15-16 inches across, the tree that was sitting here. Oh yeah, so yeah, she's a project. But it's supposed to be going to Ohio, but I haven't heard back from the guy in a while. So, but I just want to see, we'll take this out and Well, if I had two hands, all right, if I have two hands here, that would be much better. All right, it won't take much to take this off. It shouldn't be any fuel in this tractor. Turning easy enough. Beautiful day. Oh, some of the pictures I saw, the storm damage. Holy cow! There's a over in Portage, Michigan, which is quite a ways there, the FedEx building. Basically, well, the tornado went right through the middle of that building and it trapped a bunch of people in there. I guess nobody got killed. I did hear a broken leg on the news this morning, but that's quite a ways from me. That's more of the Kalamazoo area. So, but anyways, then a friend of mine in Wisconsin, he was driving down the road. I didn't get the full story, but according to what I was told, he was driving like 55 down the road and a tree landed on his truck as he was driving. And you know, the pictures have a car seat in the front. You know, makes you think, but I guess his daughter was not with him, so that's good. All right. I thought them threads were all out. Okay, let's turn the whole thing here. Huh, this must be why I brought a crescent wrench back. All right. It's Mother Nature. She can be something sometimes. Holy cow. As you can see, there's no fuel coming out of here, so it's dry. All right, fairly dry. Okay. Well, let's see what we can see here. Not much to see. Other than it's a little dirty, but okay. All right, well, we'll put her in a pocket and take her up front with us. I don't really see an O-ring on there. I'm not sure what's on there. It's it's semi. Oh, you know what that is? I think that's like a felt gasket. Yeah, that's what it is. All right, we'll clean it up a little bit, and wonder if I can put an O-ring on that or something. Okay, well, we'll figure out something. So, all right, let's walk up to back up to that 302, and we'll take that up front so we can look the plow over a little bit better. Okay, hey, nice toolbox. We'll set that in there and that in there. Check the oil real quick. Yep. Let's see, high marks right there. Yep. Still pretty clean looking. So, definitely not milky. Let's see, I don't think I turned the gas off on this one. Okay. We know she'll start. Upsy-daisy. Oh. It's this one. Okay. Okay, now I have the plow on the 1050 LP. I gotta put air in this tire yet and grease it up. Yeah, just checking the points out a little bit more. That one's not too bad. That one will be all right for a minute. That one don't look bad. That one's still okay. Yep, but we'll grease her up. All the bushings here, or you know, the hinge point. Yeah, that's right, hinge points. I don't know if there's a grease dirt on these coulters or not. Yep, right there's one. All right, we'll hit all those. And I did see I got an oil leak. Hydraulic oil leak on this 1050. So that hose there, I'm not gonna do one of those. So, all right. Well, the next video we'll do a little maintenance, and I want to talk about this plow a little bit more. I did buy some the dealer literature brochure thing for this plow, and we'll go over that. So, yeah. All right. So that's where we're at today, and hey, I appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you in the next one.